The Lion and the Mouse learn English through moral stories. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Wise Words English. In today's video, we're going to hear a classic fable, The Lion and the Mouse. This story shows us that kindness can come from unexpected places, and even the smallest can help the biggest. As always, I'll guide you through the vocabulary, so you can learn English as you enjoy this story. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a deep jungle, there lived a mighty lion. This lion was strong and powerful, feared by all the animals in the jungle. One day, as the lion was sleeping under a tree, a tiny mouse accidentally ran across his paw, waking him up. The lion caught the little mouse with his big paw. The mouse was frightened and began to tremble, saying, "Please, mighty lion, spare my life. If you let me go, I promise to help you one day." The lion laughed and said, "How could a tiny creature like you ever help me?" But, feeling generous, he let the mouse go. The mouse thanked the lion and quickly scurried away. Days went by, and one day, the lion found himself in trouble. He was caught in a hunter's net, unable to free himself. He roared for help, but no one dared to come close. The mouse heard the lion's roars and remembered his promise. Without hesitation, he ran to where the lion was trapped and saw him struggling in the net. The little mouse said, "Don't worry, I will help you." The lion was surprised but allowed the mouse to try. The mouse began nibbling at the ropes of the net with his tiny, sharp teeth, and little by little, he made a hole. Soon, the net broke open, and the lion was free. The lion looked down at the mouse and said, "Thank you, little friend. I never thought you could help me, but you saved my life." The mouse replied, "Even the smallest can help the greatest. Kindness is never wasted." And from that day on, the lion and the mouse became friends. So, what can we learn from the lion and the mouse? This story teaches us that even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. We should never underestimate others based on their size or appearance. And remember, kindness is never wasted, it always comes back to us in some way. Thank you for watching Wise Words English. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some new words today, like mighty, tremble, net, and nibbling. Make sure to subscribe for more English learning stories with vocabulary tips, and don't forget to practice kindness, it always makes the world a better place. See you in the next video.